Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about iOS 17.5 features. So how you can get that feature. So recently Apple has introduced iOS 17.5 beta profile. Now we will discuss about what are the features you are going to get in iOS 17.5. So now the beta profile is available, so if you want to check all the new features, you can simply download beta profile, and after that you can simply review all the new features included in iOS 17.5. So what are the features included in iOS 17.5 beta? iPhone has introduced iOS 17.5 beta 1. So here, what are the features? The first one is web installation. As in the previous updates, iPhone has allowed European Union and iOS 17.5 also enables support for installing apps from directly from a developer's website, which means if iPhone has a developer website, then you can simply download and install the apps directly from that website. Moreover, there is also a design change in iOS 17.5 beta, which is throughout the operating system. As you can see, there are a few pictures available of that. So there may be chances of design changes in iOS 17.5. So you have to aware of that. So there is also unmonitored tracking system, which include new system based around anti-stalking feature for our accessory like AirTags, and also includes other features as well. So Apple has last year announced a partnership with Google to work on a new industry specification. So you have to make sure that Find My app is also available in this option. So these are all the features of iOS 17.5. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.